Hey everyone, are you tired of the same old dog problems? Does your dog mess up the house as soon as you leave? Or maybe they just won't stop barking? If you answered yes, you're not alone. Every dog owner faces these challenges, and that's why I'm here. I've put together 20 common dog problems and their easy, smart solutions. This isn't just another video, it's a guide that will help you strengthen the bond with your best friend. Watch until the end, because the last solution might be the most important one for you. Category 1, Behavioral Issues. Problem, excessive barking. Solution, figure out the root cause. Is it fear, excitement, or a need for attention? Address the underlying reason. Problem, chewing everything. Solution, give your dog appropriate chew toys or bones. When they chew the right thing, praise them with a treat. Problem, potty training accidents. Solution, establish a strict potty routine and praise them for every success. Take them outside immediately after they eat or wake up. Problem, leash pulling. Solution, when your dog starts to pull, immediately stop walking. When they stop pulling and look at you, start walking again. This teaches them that pulling makes the walk stop. Problem, picky eating. Solution, set a strict feeding schedule. If your dog doesn't eat within 15 minutes, take the bowl away. This teaches them that food is only available at certain times. Category 2, Training and Discipline. Problem, not coming when called. Solution, start by practicing the come command in a small, distraction-free area. Reward them with high-value treats every time they obey. Problem, fear of strangers. Solution, introduce them to new people from a distance, rewarding them with treats for calm behavior. Gradually decrease the distance over time. Problem, jumping on guests. Solution, tell your guests to ignore your dog until it sits. When it sits calmly, the guest can greet it. This teaches the dog that jumping gets no attention. Problem, fighting with other dogs. Solution, focus on proper socialization. Introduce them to other dogs in a controlled, positive environment. Problem, separation anxiety. Solution, practice leaving your dog alone for short periods, starting with just a few seconds. Gradually increase the time and reward them when you return to a calm dog. Category 3, Health and Wellness. Problem, itching or allergies. Solution, this could be a food or environmental allergy. Consult your vet immediately for proper diagnosis and treatment. Problem, eating too fast. Solution, use a slow feeder bowl. This prevents indigestion and bloating, which can be dangerous. Problem, ear cleaning. Solution, clean their ears weekly with a soft cloth and a vet-recommended cleaner to prevent infections. Problem, dental hygiene. Solution, use a dog-specific toothbrush and toothpaste to prevent dental disease. Problem, not drinking enough water. Solution, keep the water bowl clean and the water fresh. If the problem persists, consult your vet to rule out any health issues. Category 4, Social and Emotional. Problem, stealing food. Solution, train your dog with a leave it command. Make sure to keep food off counters and out of their reach. Problem, fear of car rides. Solution, start with short, positive car experiences. Reward them for simply getting in the car. Slowly increase the length of the ride. Problem, fear of loud noises. Solution, create a safe space for them, like a crate or a specific room. Do not coddle them, as this can reinforce the fear. Problem, not getting along with a new pet. Solution, introduce them slowly and in neutral territory. Keep initial interactions short and positive, and always supervise them. Problem, excessive shedding. Solution, regular brushing is key. Also, talk to your vet about their diet, as a change in food can help reduce shedding. So there you have it, 20 common problems and 20 smart solutions. Remember, no problem is too big to solve. All it takes is a little patience, consistency, and the right information. By applying these solutions, you can make life better for both you and your best friend. Which of these problems are you currently dealing with? Or have you found a unique solution of your own? Share your stories in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help us build a better world for our amazing companions. See you next time.